We first tried the Titan Tray by Rola last year when we fitted one to our Map Patrol Land Cruiser. Now, we really like how crazy light it is and the extra mounting options like the MaxTrax holder, but the height off the roof was always a talking point. Now there are low mount options, so we thought we'd try one on Rich's 2017 Pajero. We decided to fit it ourselves, as it would give us a good chance to get a feel for how well they are made. Is it easy? Sure is, and you'll only need a helper, something to open the boxes, a screwdriver and a 13mm spanner. Once the tray was complete, fitting it to the open roof rails on the Pajero was simple, and using a measuring tape we had it centered quickly. It is crazy light, with the rack and mounts coming in at only 21 kilos, and yet it has a class-leading static load capacity of 300 kilos. Rich is looking to head out back soon, so we added a few optional mounts and brackets, including an awning bracket set, a jerry can holder and MaxTrax rack. They all went on super simply and adjusted easily to exactly where we wanted. The channel system is fantastic. Final height added before we installed the options was only 51mm above the factory rails. Not much at all. And if you wanted to take your complete rack off, with accessories, it's a case of removing 8 13mm bolts. The 1.8 by 1.2 meter rack and mounts are not cheap, at a bit over $1,030, and that's before you add on mounts and accessories. But with a 5-year warranty, the easy to use channel system, great accessories and the highest load capacity we have seen, it has to be the best for sale right now.